I don't know what's going on. See, nothing's over there. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it, and I'm gonna leave this and put the pictures back. I don't know, I'm gonna put it okay. With everything else you would see in that one. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, it's just... I knew it. I heard something when I was sleeping. Ugh. Probably a cell. But why do I still think it's a cell when I've literally seen a mine 2 times come in my room? Ugh. I'm dumb. Alright, guys. I will be back. I'm gonna go check the cameras I left. Let's see this, baby. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.